We're actually scared, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your girl Rika. So today I'm going to be laying a lace frontal. I have not done it before. This is my first time, and wish me good luck. This is the frontal wig I'm going to be using for this. The first thing is let's wear the wig, right? No, that's not the first thing. The first thing is I put some foundations. This is my first time. Like, my ear up. Since that is laying down, let's get right into makeup. Finally.